Dear friend, if bad companions tempt you, don't go along with them. If they say, "Come along with us, let's lie in wait for innocent blood, let's ambush some harmless soul. We will get all sorts of valuable things and fill our houses with plunder. Cast lots with us, we will all share the loot." Oh, friend, don't give them a second look, don't listen to them for a minute. They're racing to a very bad end, hurrying to ruin everything they lay hands on. But when these men set a trap for others, they are lying in wait for their own blood, they set an ambush for their own lives. So are the ways of everyone who is greedy of gain. Such greed for plunder takes away the lives of its possessors. Wisdom shouts in the street, she raises her voice in the markets, she calls out at the head of the noisy streets where large crowds gather. At the entrance of the city gates she speaks her words. How long, O naive ones, you who are easily misled, will you love being simple-minded and undiscerning? How long will scoffers, who ridicule and deride, delight in scoffing? How long will fools who obstinately mock truth, hate knowledge? If you will turn and pay attention to my rebuke, behold, I wisdom will pour out my spirit on you. I will make my words known to you.